Samsung tablet charging port. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it's all done. No? Yeah, man. So I will be using the soldering station to make it more easier to remove and replace the charging port. Alright? Yeah, man. So now I'm gonna add some flux, soldering flux. I'm gonna now apply heat so I could remove the charging port. Alright, so this is a soldering station, so I have it 4.36. That's the temperature, you know. So you know, so this is a thing that actually can damage the circuit board also. So you have to know the temperature to use it actually, right? Yeah, man. So I will be removing the charging port and install a new charging port. Applying hot air. So as you can see now, charging port has removed. Alright, charging port are removed successfully. Alright, so but now I'm gonna clean the area so I can replace back the new charging port. Alright, yeah, man. Make a pause this up. So, okay. So we're coating the charging port leg. Alright, so One the Alright, after Samsung charging port has installed, now I'm gonna go for a test, you know, to see that the tablet is charging. Alright, yeah, man. So as I plug my charger, you know, you can see now popped up on screen, you know, so tablet has been charging, you know, yeah, man. So I'm about to go and turn on the tablet. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Tab 4, you know? Yeah, man. So charging port is perfectly working. Alright, as you can see now, the Samsung tablet is charging. Alright, yeah man, so thanks for watching. So like and share the video, alright, for more phone repair and gadgets repair also, you know? Yeah man.